Yo, what's up, guys? This is the entrance to my spot right now. I didn't do all this. The guy that owns the house did a lot. But I will show you my garden in a second. Tomato plants up the yin yang. Got 24 tomato plants here. And there they are. Look at that. Oh, look at that. Snipped off all the suckers. Looking pimp. Got some watermelons and cucumbers over in there. Cherry tomatoes in the back. Peppers. I got the web ready for the cucumbers. Made some teepees out of bamboo. I don't know if you can see them, but I used a drill. Put some just like cheap string that you can get a roll of at the hardware store. And Big Man's got all these. Oh, he's really good at it. So those are the cherry tomato plants right there. There's some cucumbers starting. Gunshots! Ring the bell. So anyhow, all this grass was dead when we started. Cleaned all this out. I don't know if you guys know what elephant ears are, but there's a huge elephant ear root. Planted that the other day. And then, look at this crazy sun. Oh, you can't even see it. Like the whole sky is orange, but the video is not showing it properly. I don't know. Can you see the orange on the tree? Oh, rainbow. We got a rainbow. You can see it right there between the trees. Got a rainbow. I'm gonna go back on the street, see if we can see this. So we had a pretty big rainstorm come through this afternoon. It just cleared out. Oh yeah, it's almost a full one. Oh yeah, now you can see it. So right there is where it starts. It's pretty cool. Alright, whatever. Just checking in. Plane flying through a rainbow. Don't be stealing me pot of gold. Alright. Hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks. I'm not a professional yet, but whatever. I'm practicing. Take care. Peace.